So I got something a little different in this video. And this is my only Shinsei mini power truck made in Japan. It's not in perfect condition, but it's really nice. I recently had watched a video on Red Room diecast. Not to be confused with Red Rum diecast, which would be like, I don't know, Jack Nicholson's diecast channel. But Red Room diecast, he had a really nice Shinsei mini power Shell oil tanker. And if you like this model, you should go find that video. It's a great video. And I know Colin had one in one of his videos, and I think he said he had a few more. I think he might be planning to post those for everybody if they're interested. But this is the only one I have, which is a GMC like refrigeration truck. And yeah, it's an awesome model. Like I said, got some playware. I'm not sure if maybe somebody was doing a little customization on this thing. Who knows? Not sure. But pretty cool. Not sure what this goop is on the wheels, which is one of the things where I think somebody was messing around with it. And don't ask me about that. Why my toy truck has a nipple on it, but apparently it does. Anyways, I don't get off tangent here. Just a quick look at the base, but a really good functioning model. It's a cab over engine. Got a two-tone interior with a silver steering wheel and the rest in brown. I'm not sure if somebody painted this. Would be the cooling unit, I believe. And I wonder if maybe this had decals on it originally. Now, it does have opening back doors. And also an opening side door on the back of the container. It's a pretty nice, nice little model. I only paid $4 or $5 for this thing, so even better. And I'm gonna have to figure out how to get that glue or whatever that is off the rims. That's probably all I would do on it. Just try to get rid of that. So I'd like to find a few more of these one day. Oops. And hopefully I will. But if I don't, I'll enjoy this one. Because that's super cool. Thanks for watching.